Guys, my name is Manas and today we're going to learn how to build a website with a WordPress website. So in generally why we do need a website, because to generate a traffic and revenue by our website. So I strongly suggest for the Indian people and foreigners also who are living outside the India, the Miles Web is the best site, and I'll provide the link regarding the Miles Web there. You can get it there from there. So let's go to this website, Miles website. So by pasting the link generally here I given in the description, you can go to this Miles website. So it was loading down. So you can see they are offering 7-day free trial and 24 into 7 365 days they service, and an awarding winning website host also they provided for them, and they have the data center location throughout the globe. See, you can easily see the customers and so on the videos that you can learn to master the Miles Web. So I'm generally in the Republic Day sale, so they are offering some offers. So we are going to discuss something reseller VPS or not, like those. We just going to discuss what is a web hosting and simple way to get a website. So I click on the hosting. Okay, click on, you can see this sales number for your something like that for your customer service, and they also provide the chart. So for the free websites I offer you the 000 web hosting. If you don't want get paid, it's a 000 web hosting where you get the hosting for the free. But I strongly recommended to use the Miles Web because the free services are not good. They don't provide the customer services for it only provide the hosting purposes. For getting the domain names, we get to the another site, that is Freenome. The Freenome is basically a good site to get as a free domain name. There you go, you can get your domain by clicking there and the check availability. If it is available, you can check out with that and integrate with the hosting. There is a number of YouTube tutorials and YouTube videos you can find on the YouTube just by simply typing how to integrate with Freenome with 000 web hosting. So I got in the Miles Web hosting plans. There is a 3 plans: Tyro, Swift and Turbo. So they are offering the same for the Tyro and Swift. We don't need the Turbo for a time. See, you can in the Swift on the middle one you can get the free domain as well as SSL certificate, cPanel and so many. So what is the SSL certificate? Say, you can see there is a lock symbol there. I just put it down. So the lock symbol is basically for the HTTPS purposes. So in this Swift services, they are offering for unlimited email accounts as the unlimited MySQL databases. It is basically for SSD disk spaces. So what is SSD and what is HDD? You can basically just type in the Google. SSD is a bit farther and more powerful processing than the HDD. So I recommended you to take the Swift because it offers the free domain as well as the free SSL certificate. But why don't the Turbo? If your traffic is generally building down and you are getting more traffic, then you can shift easily to the Turbo. So I click on that for the checkout. You can see that for buying torrentially, monthly, annually and blindly, I click on torrentially. So here you can get a free domain. Like I'll type my domain Naruto friend for the .com. I'll check it. There I go. I can get the free domain there. Yes, the domain is absolutely available. So I can add to cart on that and given my first name. You can give your first name details, but please remember the details as you can more often use the details because the credentials are the one which you can log into your account. So last name and a email address and a phone number. I was giving the wrong details, so that like the basically the random details, but you should have to give the details, like personal details should be the correct ones. And you are not, this is for the company purposes. For the company, if you are for the company, you can register with your company, else it is an optional thing, like a city, state, and postal code. The password should be, you should be remember the password and GSTIN number. If you are registered for the company have a GST number, so it get a GST number. So it's just simple things like configuration. We don't need that things. And the order, the how much well, if you got a promo code, you just type in the promo code there, and you can pay by using the Razor Pay, Pay Your Money, and if you're from India, you can pay using the Paytm. So place my order. Yes. So I didn't actually fill out the details, so it was not taking me. So here the cPanel actually look likes. So in future I will not in the future, in a few seconds I will see you the demo that how the cPanel, how to create a WordPress website. So generally I'll tell you that this is a sample website which is made by using the WordPress. My website narutofriend.tech. So it is just a website to share my data with my friends. So here you can see the contact information and live location and something copyright and something graphics, VFX, and services about a provider, and the blog about us, some random pages. So if you want to install, if you want to get the tutorial, you can type the cPanel to WordPress, where you can see the middle one. It actually depicts the how to configure the cPanel. You can basically type in Google, you can find all the things easily and simple man if you are familiar. So here I just show the demo how to create. After successfully buying your details, you can log into your credentials, then your cPanel exactly looks like this. This is for SEO and marketing tools which are easily used, and these for the domains where you can add your domains which we buy them, and these are databases where your information store. So domains, here so you can the subdomains. The subdomains is the where you can get domains and databases, and file manager where you initially use that, and email for more email marketing tools, something softwares where you can find this. Yes, there you go on the left side here. Yeah, the software is apps installer. By clicking on that, here you can see that WordPress, and click on the install. See, there you go. I actually didn't bought the domain from this time, so it actually asking for the demo, so I was okay with it. For you showing the purpose, okay, demo, and you can type your site name. You can really change that after this time. Site name, my digital marketing. Okay, then next after here you can always change your details in the WordPress. That is the easiest thing to do in the WordPress and most useful thing also. And here you can you see the admin username and password. You can change the password, select as strong as password. Okay, and no more just install this button. Your site, see, your site is going to take a launch within a few minutes. So here, come to my website. I'll show you the how it is look like. See, go to your domain name slash wp hyphen admin. There you can appear the WordPress window. Yeah, like this. I already saved my password and username. So after you enter your username and password, which is actually given in the install the WordPress, I said you earlier right now there. So log in the WordPress. See, is initially it actually look like this. So first of all, the first thing you have to go to the settings, and then go to the permalinks. There you select the permalinks, and it actually in the plane or something, just put it on the post name. So remaining leave it as usual and go to general settings. Yep, go to general settings, and you can change. I earlier said about we can change anything, right? Here we can change anything about anything, like for your site tagline, WordPress, something URL, and time zones, time formats, like that. And again you can go to the themes. Actually the themes is the where we can build actual site. The themes here, it is actually the themes which are used by me, the previous ones, but you can use the new themes you actually. So first of all, when you install the website, the theme looks like this, the 2017. The first time when you install, the default theme is this. Okay, it actually won't come like this because I edited this theme, but only this part will come to you like that, only the 40 APS. So first of all, when we want the new word blog thing, you simply type the magical word blog. Sorry, you don't have to type there. Add new, there is a behind, yeah, add new. Go to add new and click on the add new, and see here search items, and click on that search items, the magical word blog. You can sort by using this archive popular or something, traveler's blog. There is so many blog themes are there. You can see that, yeah, traveler blog, blog diary, blog rank logs, bachelor blog, and so many blogs are there for you. Just you can try it on, or you can choose what the blogs is exactly suits you. And here I'm Jane Jones something, you can install this blog. After installing this blog, you can get so many benefits, like it installs all the plugins and the customs where the blog gets, like it installs exactly the same, and after that you can easily edit the blog in simple steps. You can edit the blog. Due to the lack of time, I was not showing how to edit this blog. It is a simple thing, you can just google it, the simple thing. I just go to my website narotafriend.tech, and here you can see that how to post. See, I too have some blog. See, this is my basically the home page of my website. When I go to the blog, I already posted some posts in my blog. See, about us or something like this. How to post a post in a blog in a WordPress, for some skipping tutorial. Just you have to go to your WordPress, see here blog, go to wp/admin. You have to type admin every time, and go to post, all post. So here are my posts in my blog before thing, and click on this yep, add new for getting the new one, and add title. Here I will give title hello, and you can see here you can start writing here. There you can write the description and the links, you can give it there, and here it is the reader, primary menu, page header. You can decorate your something blog something. I'm giving this, my name is Manas, and I'm currently digital doing a digital marketing. Yeah, sorry for my typing speed. I got a late something is showing some Grammarly errors. I installed the Grammarly in my computer, so it was showing this. It actually don't show. And update and publish. So it was generally a Grammarly error and publish. After you publishing this, go to this website naruto-friend.tech and go to the blog. There, yeah, its internet speed is a bit lacking. Yeah, you can see the hello, my name is Manas and I'm currently doing a digital marketing course. Yep, here by these simple methods you can follow, you can create the post in a blog. There are number of ways and tutorials and how to build a website and how to build a WordPress tutorial. Due to lack of interest, uh, due to lack of timing, I didn't show you. See, blogging with WordPress. Just simply type in the Google, and the first video is how to create a WordPress blog in 15 minutes. You can get a free guide. Yeah, there's number of tutorials. Due to lack of, if I started to explain the every bit and everything, the entire course will go to 20 to 40 hours. Simply it will go to 20 to 40 hours. So for the cutting the time and giving the more information, in-depth information, I was just skipping some steps. Don't misunderstand me. So here the some simple steps you can get it by Google. That's it. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching my video. From next tutorial, we're gonna learn another. We'll meet with another thing. Thank you.